Alright, guys, I am with Brandon E. Johnson.
And I'm with Brian, fan of fans 17.
And we're at my rig. We're here in my rig. And here is a 36-inch Moss Tropical Breeze 4-blade with stencil.
Where's the logo?
The logo, I was going to say, fell off. It is on the table.
Oh.
Over there, and it's only part of it is there.
Oh, yeah.
But I thought I'd keep it there to show you guys. And we have this fan wired to a remote receiver because it didn't come with any control. So you can hit low when you're ready.
Alright. Yeah, this is the remote we're using, so it's low.
It has a very low, slow low on this remote. I've noticed that.
Is this how fast low is?
I think, I'm not sure, it might be a little fast. I think this is about low.
I was thinking when I should start taking it up to medium.
I'll let you know when. Alright, you probably can take it up now when you're ready.
Has a bit of a wobble.
Yeah.
This is definitely up to speed.
Alright, you can probably take it to high now.
Despite how slow low is, it moves pretty fast on high.
Yeah, this thing blows a ton of air.
Yeah, it's a pretty good mover. Alright, now I'll do the spin down.
Yep, and this fan doesn't have reverse that I know of, so... Alright, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.
That's it, and thanks for watching, and remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.